Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Thought I'd do an update, seeing as there's been a lot of improvements since version 2 was released. Basically, everything is pretty much working now. Machine's all homed. You've got the ability to change the feed rate in here, so you can just tap on that and change that with the jog dial. Feeds and speeds, it's all working 100% now. I'll come back to those. Macros now work, so if I tap on test macro, so that runs. That's just a quick one. SD cards all working, so if I tap on that one and hit run, so you'll see that's all working nicely. I can pause it, I can cancel it, all good. So that's good. But some of the huge changes are around probing. So I've now got support for 3 different probe types. So basic Z probing, XYZ probing, and proper 3D probing. And you can configure them all through here. So you've even got calibration for the deflection, XYZ plate configuration, and standard Z plate configuration. So yeah, as you can see, it's all context sensitive, so it'll only give you the things that you can actually control. So if I go into Boss, for example, this is one that requires 3D probing, and not only can you do a round boss, but you can also do a rectangular boss, and you can come in here and set the size of your material, which work area you want to set, etc. And yeah, so basically everything else looks pretty much the same. Another change worth noting as well is in jogging. So basically all the jogging is now supported, or jogging types rather, is now supported. So for example, if you just want to do some continuous jogging, it will instantly stop when you stop. So, or you can just move to the actual locations you want to move, but yeah, so you can continuous jog and it'll stop when you stop. So yeah, that's another nice feature as well. So one thing that's probably worth noting as well is if you triple tap on the jog increment on the far right hand side, you actually get the ability to select between some coarse or fine. You got coarse options in metric and imperial, depending on what your machine's configured as. But yeah, so if you want to move larger increments in one go, you can. Just makes that a little bit easier. And of course, continuous jogging supported as well. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you guys later.